Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of IA Premiere. My name is Joe, and we want to share with you today is the SmartNIC PulM series selection guide. And today I'm very happy to invite PM Finny to introduce the benefit of the PulM Smart Network Card. Say hello to everyone.
Hi, I am PM Finny.
Okay, so first I want to ask is that instead of using a general network card, why I need a smart network card?
The rapid growth of network data value and the SDN NFV application generally includes the workload of the data service center. In general, network cards rely on the CPU to process network application service, which could take off much CPU resource, slowing down performance for other tasks. However, the emergence of smart network cards improve the performance of application and the virtualization, and realize many advantages of software-defined networking and network function virtualization, removing network virtualization, load balance, and other low-level functions from the CPU in a server can result in the prevention of missing processing power for application and improving the efficiency of system and the network operation.
Okay, so in addition to the feature of releasing CPU resource just mentioned, and what other feature does the smart network card have?
In addition to reducing the CPU role, smart NIC can improve software application and the virtualization performance. Realize the advantage of SDN and NFV. It can also be used for encryption or decryption in a security application, DPI application, or any compression. Smart NIC is very suitable for high traffic web service, allowing users to benefit from the added value and of the current application and the service.
So does AI PulM Smart Network Card also have so many advantages?
Yes. In addition to the advantage just mentioned, the PulM network cards also has diversified designs. First, developed based of NIC platforms such as Intel, Milan's, Broadcom, Aquantia. Second, wide range of speak the function to meet your needs. AI PulM's bandwidth speed is ranged from 1 GB to 100 GB, providing various options for user. Third, Uninterrupted data transmission disconnection in a less distributable problem for the network application. So PulM also provide bypass function. You can choose 1 GB bypass and 10 GB bypass. So that even if the CPU or the power supply is broken, the network transmission can still operate normally by using the bypass function.
Okay, understand. So for the device flight NIC platform, can you describe more detail about the offload function?
Of course. Offload is mainly used to improve the network performance in packets receiving and sending. The network cards offload function as listed in the table include LSR, LR, or GSO, GRO, and so on. So from the table we can see, in order to reduce the system's CPU consumption and improve performance, the function supports vary by NIC breaks, so you can choose the product that most meets your requirement.
Okay, I understand. So I want to ask a basic question, is that what is bandwidth?
Generally, bandwidth is like a highway.
Okay.
A wide bandwidth is like the highway has multi-lanes. It can include driving speed that is The data transmission rate can be increased. On the IEI website, you can find our network cards that support different bandwidth from the 1 GB to 25 GB. In addition to the network card, the PulM series also includes LTE Wi-Fi cards that support M.2 and mini PCIe expansions. In addition to speed, we are most concerned about sudden network disconnection. Just imagine how depressed is this when you are playing an online game and the internet is suddenly disconnected. In the middle of going to support the first night, it is the same in a NetCon world. So when the system is power off or crash, we can basically connect the two network devices instead of persist through the network security device system with bypass function. The network connect to this device can be connected to each other when the network security device fails. Of course, this network device will not be available to process packets at these times. Some of IEI PulM module also supports bypass function via Intel i211, i350, and so on. So available options include 1 GB, 10 GB, and optical fiber. Those modules can be instanced in the IEI parcel series with long class. The parcel IN001 or IN001A has two slots, which can install the two PulM modules. The parcel A001 and the parcel IN004 can support one PulM modules. Both two slots and the one slot system can support PCIe by 8 and the two PCIe by 4, which is slot A, and the other is slot B, supports 2 PCIe by 4 and 4 PCIe by 2. Because the PCIe configuration is different, for slot B, the user can be use BIOS 01 to switch between 2 PCIe by 4 and 4 PCIe by 2. So that slot B can support PulM small cards such as i211 and Appliance cards. And you can select PulM modules like this, such as PulM 10G, 4SF, or 1G40. So the PulM module is your ideal choice for your smart NIC card.
So what problems may arise if you shut down the system and replace the PulM modules without disconnecting the power cord?
Currently, the system does not support hard plug. So if the system is switched off without unplugging the power cord, it is in S5 states, not G3 states. So if so, we assume that the dual PCIe by 4 cards is in the slot B at beginning, and you replace it with the PCIe by 2 card in the S5 state. Because it did not enter G3 state, so the dual PCIe by 4 context is still kept in the system memories, and the system may not be able to recognize some ports of the PCIe by 2 PulM card. To avoid this, remember to enter the G3 state before replacing the card.
Okay, I understand. So finally, we summarize the following 4 features of the PulM series. First, supporting for major brand of NIC platform. And second, designed with 1 GB to 100 KB bandwidth. And third, bypass functions. And the last one, easy card replacement under G3 state. And that's all today. And thanks for Fini, it's very detailed. If you like our video, please like and share this video. And if you want to know more about this PulM series solution guide, please scan the QR code down below. And the most important things, don't forget the IA premiere every Tuesday. I hope I can see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.